Welcome to ToupTek Astro channel. I will introduce you the installation process for the astronomy camera, filter drawer, OAG, and guiding camera. Please prepare these equipments and accessories for installation. First, we need to install the filter drawer for DSO camera. Place the camera on a stable surface. Align the filter drawer holes with camera sensor. Then, secure the filter drawer using our M2.5 24mm long countersunk screws and tighten them with a screwdriver. Then, use two M2.5 8mm long countersunk screws to connect the camera to the filter drawer. Make sure not to damage the protect window. Next, we will install the OAG. Align the OAG with the corresponding position of the camera CMOS window and the screw hole of the filter drawer. Make sure the prism doesn't obstruct the camera sensor. Secure it with countersunk screws. Only 5 screws needed due to the magnetic handle on the filter drawer. Next, we will connect the guiding camera to OAG. Align the guiding camera sensor with the prism. Insert the OAG helical focuser and securely mount the guide camera. Then, align the holes and install the other half of the OAG adapter ring. Lastly, we need to install filters. Identify the correct orientation of the filter. The front side should face the telescope side. Screw the filter onto the drawer core, then gently place it into the drawer. Avoid contact between the filter and the drawer to prevent damage. Please follow our official channel and stay updated for more product information and operation guides. Thanks for watching.